Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty at iExamB. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you all with an upcoming vacancy. But before we start with the discussion, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated with all such kind of beneficial videos, recent updates, whether it is content, whether it is strategy videos or any updates about exam, vacancies, results, etc. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us at hello@iexamb.com or you can call on the number on the screen or you can also write in the comment section of this video. अगर आपको कोई भी कोर्स के डिटेल्स चाहिए, we are having our online courses at www.iexamb.com. आप वो भी चेक कर सकते हैं. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about High Court of Gujarat recruitment of civil judges cadre 2023. There are around 193 vacancies that have been released by this notification, by this recruitment. इस recruitment को आप High Court of Gujarat के वेबसाइट पर चेक कर सकते हैं. मैंने इसका एक्चुअली PDF भी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में अटैच किया हुआ है. So you can do that. You can download this PPT also for all the important and relevant information as of now. And you can also download the PDF and check out all the details very easily in one go. High Court of Gujarat at Sola, Ahmedabad. There is a website link also in this cutting. You can check it out. आप इस वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हैं या फिर आप सिंपली PPT डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, उस लिंक को चेक कर लीजिए या फिर आपके पास रेडीली अवेलेबल तो है ही नोटिफिकेशन का PDF, वो भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट and it is for recruitment of civil judges. The start date of online applications is 15th of March and the closing date is 14th of April. So be careful that 14th of April तक ही टाइम है आपके पास, रात में 11:59 मिनट्स तक. तो तब तक आपका ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन आपको कंप्लीट करना होगा. Here you will be having a preliminary examination, that is what is the elimination test, which will be conducted on 7th of May 2023. So आपके पास इतना एक month ही है आपके हाथ में जो आप prepare कर सकते हैं. Along with that you will have a test of Gujarati language also to test your skills and proficiency in the local language. And if you get qualified in this, then you can be writing the mains written examination on 2nd of July 2023, and then there will be a viva voce test, that is the oral interview that will be conducted in the month of October-November 2023. So you can check out the details in the PDF that has been attached in the description of this video. And these are actually 193 regular vacancies, so this is a very good number, and even the pay scale is very good. You can check it out. That is starting from 77,000 onwards and going up to 1,30,000 something. So ये सारी details आप check कर सकते हैं, and everybody knows what is the job profile of a civil judge. ये तो सबको पता ही है. Now what are the essential qualifications? You should have a degree in law, and also your degree of course should be from a recognized university that is recognized in India, and Bar Council has also recognized with it. And along with that you should be acting as a practicing advocate in courts of civil and criminal jurisdiction, and आपका AIB एग्जामिनेशन भी क्लियर होना चाहिए. These are the necessary requirements. So ये सारे एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस आप एक बार चेक कर लीजिएगा और डिटेल में वीडियो को पॉज भी कर सकते हैं आप लोग. What is the age limit? Age limit, if you are in a general category, then you should not have crossed the age of 35 years. This is what is the requirement. And for the people who are belonging to reserved category, they have a relaxation of 3 years, and they should not have crossed the age of 38 years. This is what is the requirement of age limit. And other than that, what is the next point? That is scheme of examination and syllabus. What is the scheme of examination and syllabus that we will be discussing in this particular video, other than the age limit and the last date? I think you all have checked it out. The scheme of examination and the syllabus will be that the preliminary examination, which is scheduled tentatively on 7th of May 2023, उसका syllabus मैं आपके साथ अभी discuss करने वाली हूँ. First, let us see the exam partner. It shall be of 100 marks. And the duration will be of 2 hours. It is an MCQ paper with 1 mark each given to every question, and there is negative marking as well. What is the negative marking? Negative marking is 0.33 marks for each wrong answer and would be based on the following syllabus that they have mentioned over here. The paper is having two parts. Paper 1, in that you will have part A, B and C. So let us see what are the acts that are covered in part A, B and C. Part A has IPC, Code of Criminal Procedure, and Indian Evidence Act, Gujarat Prohibition Act, Prohibition of Offenders Act, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, Gujarat Prevention of Gambling Act, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Prohibition of Sex Selection Act. So you can see these are the local laws also that you have to focus on for the preliminary examination. These basic laws we all have an idea about, but the local laws that they have covered specifically, you have to focus on this, because when they have mentioned the syllabus very specifically, then you have to focus on the important topics from all these laws. Negotiable Instruments Act, Registration of Births and Deaths Act, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, Information Technology Act, Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act 1986. Part B will be consisting of CPC, Limitation Act, Indian Contract Act, Constitution Act, Partnership, Specific Relief Act. Other than that, you will have the Court Fees Act of Gujarat specifically, not the general law, that is Court Fees Act. Sale of Goods Act, you are going to have Transfer of Property Act, Arbitration and Conciliation Act, Commercial Courts Act, Succession Laws. You will be having personal laws relating to Hindu, Muslim and Christians, specifically talking about succession laws. That will be the area of focus. Other than that, you also have to study the legal maxims. Legal maxims के लिए आप एक maxim every day पढ़ सकते हैं. You can go through it like that, because you cannot cover everything in one day. For the legal maxims I'm talking about specifically, and for the other subjects you can make your own strength and weak areas, and according to that you can divide your time. What will be the part C? There is part C as well. Other than the laws, you will have general knowledge, English language, test of reasoning, numerical and mental ability will also be checked, and the basics of computer applications. So this is an overall test that you have to clear, and this is what is the elimination test, the preliminary test. And the language of the paper will be English only, remember that, because for Gujarati language you are having a separate paper, that is paper 2. Okay, and this is going to be totally objective type. The next test, that is paper 2, is the test of Gujarati language. That is your proficiency in local language has to be checked. Obviously the civil judges should be aware of that. That is a duration of 1.5 hours. 50 marks का ये टेस्ट होगा, एंड इसका सिलेबस आप लोग देख सकते हैं, ये गुजराती में ही दिया हुआ है. तो जो लोगों को एक्चुअली गुजराती आती है, they can read this. You can focus over here and try to read it, that what is it. This, and actually Gujarati is an easy language, though it's not very difficult. Gujarati निबंध लेखन, for example, simple essay writing आपको आना चाहिए गुजराती में, and so on. You can go through it. And अगर आप ये qualify करते हैं, if you are scoring a minimum 50% or more marks in the preliminary examination, and also you have scored well, यानी कि आपका SSC और HSC में भी आपके क्या क्या marks हैं, 50% से ज़्यादा है या नहीं, वो भी देखा जाएगा. Are you seeing that this is a very comprehensive test that they are conducting at the preliminary stage only? Then you will be eligible to write the mains examination, which is also going to be written. So this is what is about the new vacancy that I wanted to share with you. Hurry up, as the last date is 14th April. Fill your forms as soon as possible and start your preparation. All the very best. And also I have something more for you at Legal B, that is free workshop and guidance session by Robin sir, who is a senior counsel with more than 25 years experience in practice. He's practicing at the Punjab and Haryana High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So he's going to guide you. Register for the free workshop as soon as possible. He will be discussing points relating to litigation, judiciary, ADA and whatnot, careers after law. So do join the workshop and take benefit of it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned with all such kind of beneficial content and updates. Prepare 50% faster with iExamB. Thank you.